In this video, you will learn how to crop a PDF for free online in seconds. First, open Google and search for Crop PDF. From the results, open the iLovePDF website and find the Crop PDF tool. Once the Crop PDF tool is open, click the option to select your PDF file, then choose the PDF you want to crop from your computer. After the file uploads, you'll see your PDF pages on the screen. Now, click and drag the crop box around the area you want to keep. You can resize the box to make sure you include all the important text, images, or other content. Next, choose whether you want to crop only the current page or apply the same crop to all pages. If every page has the same extra margins, choosing all pages can save you time. If only one page needs cropping, choose Current Page. Before finishing, take a quick look at the preview and make sure nothing important has been cut off. It's a good idea to leave a small amount of extra space around text, signatures, and images. Then click Crop PDF and wait for the file to finish processing. Finally, click Download PDF to save your newly cropped PDF to your computer. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe.